What's good? It's King Hassanee Reacts. Don't forget to like, comment, and what? Subscribe, or else you get left behind. And also turn on post notifications so you know every time I drop a new video, a new banger video. But anyways, man, I'm finna react to Briz. So without further ado, let's hop straight into the video. Let's go. If you haven't already, make sure to smash the like button and hit the subscribe button to the channel. And you know what I'm gonna say, support is free. But anyways, it says, trash talker tried to fight me. Let's go.
Hey, chill out. What's up? Sure. I hope that Michael hear you.
The highlights.
Hey, chill out, bro. Check it, you're not hitting the ball ever. Hey, watch that.
Good first step. Here we go.
Check out. Check out. I'm a hoe.
Like crazy.
Don't call me a
One thing about, playing park basketball, it's a lot physical and people tend to bark and call a lot of fouls. And of course they don't agree with no calls. So, that's just the way it is.
Don't call me a hoe. What's up? Yeah, you think? Yeah, you think? You think?
That's fine. We'll
see what happens.
You don't know who crying about the
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll see what happens when you.
Hey, step up.
Bye-bye.
Hey!
One.
Just like that. That's what happened.
Count that. Count the bucket.
Third ball. Yeah, we do.
Hey, chill out. What's up?
He's scared.
What's up?
I just say he's scared.
What's up? That slow ass little thing. What's up?
I could have hit you way faster. You still jump. You scared.
What's up?
Still jump.
Do it then. Yo, yeah.
Yeah, you scared, bro.
Yeah. You think so? That's what you think? You think I'm scared?
All his life is pussies, but y'all gonna edit that out though.
I'll leave that.
Like, bro, win and then talk. Your feelings hurt because I said that. That's what matters.
Guard me then. I got 6. How are you in my head when I'm busting buckets?
more than you.
I got 6.
I got more than you.
How are you in my head?
I got more than you. Shut the fuck up.
How are you in my head?
I got more than you.
I got 6 though. Like, you're not in my head.
Don't play.
Not in my head.
I got more than you.
Yeah, okay.
So shut the fuck up.
Sure.
I hope that Michael hear you a pussy.
Yeah.
Can't bite on him. He won't get in all the buckets.
Oh.
We out, Slim.
I ain't touch him. I went past.
Okay. Who's no, stop. Who's the one that slapped my arm? Let's talk about it. Who slapped my arm? Who's the one that did it? We're gonna go see it. We're gonna find it.
You don't give a damn.
Who did it? You talk about it wasn't a foul. I'm telling you it's no, it's here. It's here. Foul. Here.
Oh, D.
You're not hitting the
Another
ball
one.
ever. Every time it's on.
You got it. Yes, sir. You saw, bro. You saw. And you scratched me like Wolverine. No, you came in and grabbed me. I ain't grabbed you. I got the ball, bro. I grabbed my arm. Ball hot. Yeah.
You okay, bro?
Hell
You okay, bro?
no.
Travis, bring him down.
D.
Let's go.
One more. Yes, sir. Three.
You okay, bro? You're not in the jungle, bro. He out. Hey, bucket.
Yeah. Sunday, yeah.
Quick first step.
I got help.
Go bucket. Oh. Good shot.
Game time. Nothing even to say. Game just like that. 8. Silence. You feel me? But I had 8 though. Hey, how's it trash?
10.
But we won and I had 8.
I had more than you. You keep bringing up your points, but I had more than you.
But we
bro.
won, though.
Don't bring up your points. Just say you won, bro.
We won. At the end of the day, isn't that what matters?
Because I outscored you, though. Don't bring that up.
I see you looking like a warrior out here in this
I
thing.
am a warrior.
Yeah? You breathing hard, though, to be a warrior. I don't think you're in good shape. It don't sound like it, bro. You wheezing. You wheezing, bro. I think I could get it on my mic. You wheezing so hard. But what's a W or L? Which is better? Which is better?
A
W or L?
W.
W or L? A W or L? As you walk off the court.
That's tough.
That's what he. Look up. Hey, chill out, bro.
What? What happened?
What happened? What happened?
What happened? What happened? A block? That's what happened? Blocking free throws? Is that what happened? A blocking free throws? A blocking free throws? Bro, you guys don't have to hold this guy. He's not like, come on, bro. Hey, check out. Hey, you grabbed me and fell, bro.
Exactly.
You grabbed a hold of me and fell, bro. It's a block in any game that you play. Bro, I'll grab him and hold him like he's my son.
That's funny.
He can't, right? He can't shoot. It's all off.
Bucket. That was steal.
Let's go. We out. Hey, check out,
People
bro.
foul like crazy, bro.
Bro, how you really don't think that's a foul? That's what's so amazing to me.
Oh, too easy. Too easy.
There you go.
Good shot.
Zach. I got you.
Good shot. Small shot.
Oh, he blocked.
Shot Slim. Good shot, Slim. Come on, bro. That's really what we gotta be doing, bro. Like, come on, man.
I'm doing the most like I was, bro.
Sheesh. Austin. Every place I go, everyone want to act like they're blocking shit. They're slapping forearms, man. We'll see if you block.
Yup, people this way, yup.
It don't matter. It don't matter. It's a bucket. Good shot. Good shot, Zach.
Check up,
A
man.
lot of aggressive though. For sure. Yeah, man, a lot of, I tip my hat up to, Nick. Keep doing this thing. You know what I'm saying? He's playing at those parks where people playing aggressive and he's talking back. He's not backing down. As you can see, he's not no slouch. He's not no pushover. So, and he does his thing. So, Nick is real athletic. He's a mini Zach LaVine for sure. The way he dunks in the air and things like that. And he also can shoot the ball. So definitely a talented player. And just keep doing your thing, my guy. I'm saying keep working hard. I'm saying keep doing your thing, and just keep grinding. So there's definitely all love from me to you, my guy Nick. So yeah, that's my reaction. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you're new, and also drop a comment. There we go, man.